Did you know in comics who teaches Deadpool how to break fourth wall? It is Loki. And yes, currently we have seen Deadpool and Wolverine trailer on which we have seen involvement of TVA. But the biggest question is that where is Loki, Mobius and even Hunter B-15? Many Marvel theories suggest that after watching Deadpool and Wolverine trailer, it seems like TVA and Loki are in danger and he who remains is coming back. So what all these things are, we'll talk about it. As we already know that Deadpool is hired by TVA for a secret mission, and if he is unable to do that mission, then his timeline or we can say that his universe is currently in danger. And for now, we can assume that Deadpool is working for Paradox and sooner or later Paradox will become a main culprit for that because we have already seen what happened to that Wolverine variant universe. Because of his mistake, his universe break into pieces, or we can say that his universe vanishes from the timeline. And we have already seen in Loki season 2 that Loki somehow become god of multiverse, or we can say that god of stories, who is holding number of timelines together. But how can this is possible? Because if we talk about Loki season 1, the role of TV is to protect the sacred timeline which was governed by He Who Remains. And later we have seen how Sylvie ended up his life. And if we talk about Loki season 2, then there are some TV rogue agents who wants to maintain that sacred timeline. But at the end of the season, we have seen that how Loki sacrificed himself to become all alone forever in order to protect multiple timeline and the concept of free will. Because if we talk about that sacred timeline, then the concept of free will doesn't exist. If something is written by He Who Remains, then it should happen in that way only. If not, then the new branch of timeline will be created and soon TV agents will remove that branch. But the main question is that if Loki is holding multiple branches of timeline and every branch have their own free will, then why TVA was after Deadpool and even Wolverine? Because if the concept of free will is existing in each and every timeline, then it should not bother TV agents, because at the end of Loki season 2, their main aim was to keep an eye on Kang and his variant. Then the theory suggests that some agents in the TVA are still rogue and wants to make an old TVA which exists at the time of He Who Remains, which means that they somehow wants He Who Remains back and wants to remove Loki permanently because of the workload in the multiple branches of timeline. Let's take a small example. Suppose if a person is working in the office, then he has to maintain a single file, no problem at all. But if suddenly the file becomes multiple, like he has to maintain 10 to 20 files or even 100 files all at once, then this could be burden for that person. And many Marvel fans are thinking that Agent Paradox is one of them who doesn't want that multiple branches of timeline because he has to maintain or keep an eye on all of them. In order to eliminate that problem, they had to remove that person who is holding all the problem, or we can say that timelines, which is God Loki. And somehow Agent Paradox, with the help of Deadpool, wants to remove Loki permanently and call a Kang variant and make him another version of He Who Remains. Because currently if we talk about Mobius and Hunter B-15, they are not present. Then what if Agent Paradox captures and lock them in order to complete his mission? And what if he is the sole responsible for the deletion or for the removal of Wolverine variant's timeline, and he is going to remove Deadpool timeline as well, but he is pretending that this is all Deadpool's fault. This theory claims that this can be possible if Agent Paradox wants to become the next He Who Remains or wants to remove Loki permanently. But this cannot be possible because we have seen already that in Loki season 2 how powerful our Loki has become. So currently if Deadpool reaches at the multiversal tree point whereas Loki is holding large number of timelines, thus Deadpool can defeat him or not is the biggest question. Another theory sounds pretty weird, which states that Loki may hold large number of timelines and branches of that timeline will keep on expanding no matter what, and there will be a point that it will break the multiverse forever. And currently this is the biggest concern for Agent Paradox, because if Secret Wars happens, then the role of TVA may be gone forever and TVA will be destroyed, because we have already seen at the end of Loki season 1 where Loki and Sylvie somehow reached to He Who Remains and he was trying to explain that he is protecting the multiverse because of creating a sacred timeline. Because if sacred timeline will be broken and his variants will be free, who are more powerful and evil than him, and will arrive, will create multiversal war and cause a greater threat. But many fan theories also suggest that this is all new different type of TVA, which means that if Loki is holding multiple timelines, this can be possible that these multiple branches of timeline belongs to our current Marvel Cinematic Universe with different number of possibility. For example, if there is a possibility written by He Who Remains that the snap will happen at the hands of Tony Stark, then there is a possibility still exists that the snap could happen with the help of Thor, Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, or even Doctor Strange. So these all possibility are existing in the current timeline of Loki's universe, which is our current MCU. And if we see TVA in Deadpool, then this belongs to their universe. Does this mean each and every universe has its own TVA with different type of TVA leaders? Like if we talk about our Marvel Cinematic Universe, then we have seen Agent Mobius, Ramona Renslayer, and Hunter B-15. But if we talk about Mutants Worlds, then this TVA is slightly different and we have seen Agent Paradox. And if it is true, then this current universe TVA wants to end our universe, which is current Marvel Cinematic Universe TVA, because this TVA was free. And currently, Agent Paradox thinks that free will TVA will create a chaos in their TVA. Also, these type of theories create more curiosity among Marvel fans and create questions that what will happen in current Deadpool 3 movie. Earlier in that video, we were talking about Deadpool 3 post-credit scene, but this time we are talking about different version of TVA which may exist in each and every universe. Unlike Watcher, who is fifth dimensional being who is all alone in different kind of multiverse. If we talk about current Marvel Cinematic Universe or Earth 838, Watcher is a single person who exists uniformly in each and every universe. But if we talk about TVA, which was created by a Kang variant who is He Who Remains, then it was solely designed for our current Marvel Cinematic Universe timeline. And currently, this theory suggests that if TVA exists in multiverse in a different forms, then this can be possible that this TVA belongs to only mutant universe, where we have seen X-Men and Wolverine along with Deadpool universe. And currently, this TVA does not govern our Marvel Cinematic Universe, where we have seen Avengers. Similarly, if we talk about Spider-Man's universe, then there can be that version of TVA who are governing Spider-Man or watching each and every Spider-Man universe. Because if we think logically, then TVA formation was done by one of the Kang variants. So how can he control an entire multiversal timeline? He wants to protect his own universe, and that is why he created a sacred timeline.